In this video, we'll look at running ThriftCart's inventory count sheet report, various ways you can run the report to get different subsections of your inventory, and how you can also export this information if desired. To do so, come to the left-hand side of your screen, select Reports, Point of Sale Reports, and then choose your inventory count sheet. As you look at the sheet, you'll notice a few different buttons where it says Make Sheet. So here we have our top section, followed by Make Sheet here. If we scroll further down, we'll see again another Make Sheet option, and then a third, fourth, and fifth Make Sheet option down here at the bottom. Each one of these sections, these 5 sections of the report, are different ways that you can run the report to just get certain subsections of your inventory. So let's look at this top section first. We can filter inventory by location. Today, let's run it for our shop in Atlantic, and optionally, you can run it by department or sub-department as well. In this case, I'm just going to leave all my inventory selected. There's some various other options, such as showing just those items that are displayed on our website. I'm going to go ahead and run inventory based on the date that this inventory was added. So let's run this report from April 1st through today, May 21st, and then I'm going to go ahead and hide my comments column and just click Make Sheet. It might take a couple minutes for this inventory to load, but when it does here, see a report similar to this. You have your item ID. This is a ThriftCart generated ID number, followed by the item name, description, price, your category, the system count. So notice that we do have negative counts in here. It is possible to sell into the negative quantities in ThriftCart. You also have just zero inventory with stuff that you've already sold out, and you also have positive inventory. I'm going to scroll down here and let's find some where we still have inventory in stock. So here we have some individual items in stock. And then cost of goods sold, if you have any cost with these items, is shown here as well. Most of this inventory is probably entered as donated product, and so there's not cost associated with it. Optionally, you can click on the blue button here, Export to Excel, if you wanted to export this information for uploading into your accounting platform or analyzing and looking at in Excel. Okay, let's run this report in another way. I'm going to come back here to my inventory count sheet. You'll notice the next section. I can again filter this by store location, and then I can choose one or multiple particular item names to run the report by. So in this case, let's take a look at just all of our coffee cups. I'm going to then scroll down and again click on Make Sheet, and we see a similar table as previously, only now we just have coffee cups showing here. And in this case, we see that we also have some cost of goods sold assigned to these coffee cups. Okay, let's take a look at another way to run this report. This third option would be to run it based on keyword. So I'm going to again just choose my shop on Atlantic, and then I'm going to type in the word table here, click on Make Sheet, and now I have inventory that was brought up with the keyword table. Okay, and another way to run it. So we've looked at running it by item name. Now we might want to run it by supplier. So again, you can select your location, and then optionally you can pick here your supplier. Let's say Paint Supplies USA. Click on Make Sheet, and here we see inventory from that supplier. Again, we can export this to Excel if desired. And one more way to run this report. Again, let's open this up, inventory count sheet. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the report. Pull my little picture here out of the way. And now we have the option to run inventory by source. So if we just wanted to run our purchased product or versus our donated product. If you have any questions, please email us support@thriftcart.com. Thanks.